Hello, this is Dropship Beauty. For this video, we will briefly go over the membership options for our app. We have three main types of membership options available. Each one are priced based on the perks that come with them. Please note, a lifetime membership is also available for the one-time fee of $499. We will discuss about this in greater detail later in the video. To access the membership page, first log into your Dropship Beauty account. Once done, please go to Settings, from the left side of the page. A menu list will drop down after. Please click Member Plans next. This will take you to the membership page. From the top of the page, the current plan that you are under will be displayed here. There will be two highlights of it. Each membership will come with their own perks. Therefore, let's do a quick breakdown of each membership. For more membership specifics, please read the description list thoroughly on this page. For the basic membership, it is perfect for starting out. With this plan, you have access to the following. Be allowed to process up to 25 orders per month. Have access to the basic product photos for importing items. Have access to the basic functions for the price multiplier settings. For the advanced membership, the option is great if you are planning to process more orders, and if you need additional media contents. With this plan, you have access to the following. Be allowed to process up to 100 orders per month. Have additional access to our premium product photos, videos, and digital marketing images. Have basic function access for the price multiplier settings. Have the initial app fees waived for Beauty Cloud. For the Pro membership, the option is perfect if you would like to take full advantage of every service we offer on the app. With this plan, you have access to the following. Have no limits to processing orders. Be able to store in branding materials for dropshipping. You can send your pre-made custom branding materials to us for storage, or you can have us create ones for you at a separate cost. Have access to the additional product photos, videos, and digital marketing images. Have additional access to product import settings, such as creating multiple price settings, and being able to import an entire collection in one go. Have the initial app fees waived for Beauty Cloud. Again, please note that it will be a separate cost if you want us to print and customize any branding materials for dropshipping. The purchase for custom printing can be made through www.privatelabelbranding.com. We also have the lifetime membership available for $499. The lifetime membership is just like the Pro membership, but you will only need to pay for the membership fee once, instead of paying the $19.99 monthly fee. To choose the preferred membership, you can click Select under the respective membership option of your choice. Again, make sure to read and understand each membership carefully before making a decision. All membership fees will be collected by Shopify, and it will be scheduled based on your billing cycle with them. If you need more clarification on how the app charge works with Shopify, you can contact them directly for such assistance. This concludes the membership tutorial with Dropship Beauty. For more guides on our app, you can visit our FAQ and Hair University courses for such assistance. Thank you for watching our video.